Hello everyone, my name is Naima Khan and today I will be talking about how to reference an article. Now let's talk about why exactly we need to reference an article in our manuscript. One of the reasons that we give a reference to the articles mentioned in our body of work is to avoid plagiarism. We cannot take credit for someone else's work. And so we need to let the readers know that this particular piece of information was actually stated by someone else. By referencing an article, we also give the readers a source for the information contained in the text. Now, the question may arise, what exactly do I mean by a citation or a reference? A citation is a way of referencing to a published or unpublished source of information that was used in the writing of a journal or research paper. It is done to avoid plagiarism, and the citation can be from a book, authentic websites, or any manuscript from online or offline journals. And by offline journals, I'm actually talking about the hard copies of the journal issues. So there's actually a difference between the term citation and the term reference. When we say the term citation, we are referring to sources mentioned in the body of the text that you all may have seen in manuscripts that you may have read, either in the form of numbers and brackets or authors' names and brackets with their publication date. And a reference, it refers to list of all the sources mentioned at the end of your text, and it includes the entire bibliography of the articles referenced. So, citation, body of the text, reference at the end of the text, right? All citations consist of the following basic core components. You have the author, you have the article, and then you have the journal, the title, the volume, the issue, and you also have the year that particular article was published in. You have the page numbers of that particular issue that you can find the article in. You have the online database you can find the article at, and you also have the access date. And now, by access date, I actually mean the date at which the article was accessed by you when you were referencing it into your body of text. A citation style is the specific order in which you organize the portions of the citation core, like the basic core components that were shown previously to you. So the most commonly used citation styles are APA, Chicago, MLA, you have Vancouver, you also have Harvard. The only difference all of these citation styles have, they basically shuffle the core components around and that's it. So as you can see on the screen, these are examples of the different citation styles. And like I said before, it's only the shuffling of the core components. For APA, you actually have the year the article was published in first, but for MLA and Chicago, you have it later on. And that's some of the small differences that exist in all of the different citation styles. You also have the DOI, which actually talks about the digital object identifier, which is a number given to each manuscript or each article. It is imperative that you guys, whenever you want to publish in a particular journal, it's imperative that you actually go through the author guidelines to see which citation style that particular journal prefers, because your article can actually get rejected if the right citation style is not used. So I'm here to tell you that you do not need to go and type all of this bibliography manually. There are softwares that will do that for you. You can download and store references using those softwares. You can organize those citations and arrange them into a specific citation style. You can include any relevant information you want, and the software would actually automatically insert the citation you want for you. As on your screen, you can see some of the softwares or the reference management tools used. Some of the most common ones, yeah, you might have heard of are Reference Manager, EndNote, Zotero, and Mendeley as well. So I will actually be walking you all through Mendeley because I believe personally that it's one of the easiest referencing softwares to use out there. So, and I want you all to follow along with me. So first of all, I want you to go and install Mendeley for desktop. Use the link, and there's also a link for the Mac version and one for the Windows version. So you can pause this video right now and actually go and install Mendeley for desktop. Okay, so once you've installed Mendeley Desktop, a window will open up asking for a registration of an account. So you actually need to go and register yourself for an Elsevier account. And once you're done with that, you can simply log in. Once you're logged in, the Mendeley desktop itself will give you the option of installing the Word plugin as well as the web importer. So you just have to click those buttons and it will download it for you. The Word plugin will enable you to insert your citation directly into your text from the library, and the Web importer will give you the option of adding any article on your screen in the Mendeley library to be used as a reference for your text. Once you open your Word document that contains your manuscript, you can actually go to the referencing tab and you can insert citations on. From there, you can choose whichever style you want to insert the citation in. There is an array of citation styles available, and then at the end, when you're actually making the reference list, just click on insert bibliography, and it will insert all of the bibliography, all of the articles referenced in your text. And that is all for today. I hope every one of you will now be able to reference an article in your manuscript. I hope this video was helpful. In case of any queries, feel free to reach out to SOMR social media handles. Have a great day. Thank you.